A man taking part in a street takeover has been charged with murder after the allegedly leading police on a fatal car chase. An officer tried to pull the suspect over for reckless driving at about 6 p.m. Friday in Houston during an investigation. The suspect, identified as 21-year-old Damian West, fled from police in a silver Charger and caused a crash involving five cars. A driver in one of the cars was killed at the scene, and a passenger in the car was taken to a hospital in highly critical condition. Other drivers involved. The crash sustained minor injuries, according to the Houston Police Department. West was hospitalized for observation following the crash and is currently in jail. Court records show West was released on a $100 bond after a February 2021 charge for unlawfully carrying a weapon.